What method? Friends method. Okay, cikgu cakap dengan manusia kan sekarang. If I ask you, you can always turn on your mic and answer me. Okay, boleh? Boleh. So, let's start. Kita buat revision dulu. A window. Let me present. Okay. I'm going to guarantee you that my handwriting today will be much better than before. Much better lah. So next week it will become better and better and better and better. Okay, so today we are going to start with multiplication first. Kita buat ulang kaji multiplication first. Okay. We are going to do normal form first. If I have this question, 413. See, much better kan my handwriting? Okay, times with 5. What is the answer? Okay, for those who have memorized the multiplication table, you don't need to do the tulang ikan anymore. Okay, for those who have memorized the multiplication table, you don't have to use tulang ikan anymore. Tulang ikan is for those who haven't memorized the multiplication table. So for this 413 times by 5, we are going to use tulang ikan sifar 5. Why my tulang ikan sengit? Sakit belakang tulang ikan untuk sengit. Okay, so we are going to use sifar 5. So, times 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and also 9. 0 times 5 is 5. 0 times 5 is 0, sorry. 1 times 5 is? Who can tell me the answer? Sifar 5, senang aja.
5.
5, then?
5.
10, 10, then?
15.
15, very good. After that?
20.
20, very good, Arisa.
24. 25.
25. Then?
30.
30, very good. Then?
35.
35, very good. Then? 40, very good. Last one? 45. Okay, so this is easy busy for you, right? So by using normal form, we are going to write down the question in normal form, 413 times by 5. And we are going to multiply each number at the top with the number below. So we are going to multiply this number first. 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Jadi 5 dekat bawah and 1 is we are going to bring it up. Okay, plus 1 And remember to multiply first, then you add. Okay, darab dulu baru awak tambah. Then we are going to multiply this number. 1 darab 5. 1 times 5. 1 times 5 is 5. And remember to add 1. Plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Ayo. 5 plus 1 is 6. And the last one, we are going to multiply 4 with 5. 4 with 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Ada apa-apa nak tambah dekat atas? Ada? Tak ada. So, we stick with 4 times 5 is 20. So, the answer is 2065. Okay. Now, we are going to use the lattice method. Okay, lattice method is like this. Lattice method, kita akan buat L terbalik. We are going to draw upside down L like this. Okay. Then, okay, nombor yang banyak, the number with more digits, 413 ada 3 digit kan? We put it at the top. 4, 1, 3. Jarak sikit Then here is darab, okay? And the number with the less digit, you are going to put it aside, dekat tepi. Times 5. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to draw the line. Ini garis pemisah. We are going to differentiate each. Kita nak buat kotak lah ni. Kita kena pisahkan dulu. So draw the line. And then draw the line from kotak ni kan, from corner to corner. Okay, from this corner to the corner opposite it. Okay, kepada corner yang bertentangan. You draw the line. Ini pun sama kepada yang bertentangan. Ini pun sama kepada yang bertentangan. Okay. Okay, done? Okay. Now sekarang kita akan jawab. we are going to answer the question. Okay, so sama juga, we are going to answer from behind. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, 15 kan? So, 1, 5. 15. Jangan terbalik ah, jangan letak 5 dekat atas, 1 dekat bawah. No, 1, 5. Okay, 1 times 5 is 5. So, 5 pun sama dengan 0, 5. Sama kan? So, 0, 5. Okay, now next one is 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So, 2, 0. Okay, after we have filled in all the petak, we are going to add it. Kita akan tambah mengikut petak condong. Okay, we are going to add slanting ah. Kita akan guna petak condong. Ini petak condong yang pertama. So the answer tulislah dekat sini 5. Okay, the next one petak yang ini. Tengok from this line to this line, sama kan? Nya condong kan? Nya satu petak condong. Okay, so we are going to add 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Tulis jawapan dekat sini. Jangan tulis kat sini, kita tengah tambah yang ini. So you write down here. Okay, next one. Okay, one by one. We do it one by one. This one. Okay, so we're going to add 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Okay, next one. The last one is this one. So, ada lain tak nombor? No. So, this one is 2. How to write down the answer is we write from this side. From this side, going here. Okay, from this side, we go over here. Okay, so the answer is 2065. Sama kan? Okay? Okay? Okay, now let's move to division. Let's move to division. We are going, soalannya 2034 divide by 3. So we are going to use tulang ikan sife 3 times 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tell me, what's the answer? 0 times 3 is?
0.
0. Next?
3.
3. Next?
6.
6. Okay.
9.
9. Teruskan.
12.
12. After that?
15. 18.
15. Then?
18.
18. Then?
21.
21. Then?
24.
24. Then?
27.
27. Very good. If kalau ada apa, you don't have to use this tulang ikan. Okay, now normal form, long division bahagi panjang. Remember up to atas bawah tolak turun. So 2034 we're going to divide by 3. Okay, let me use other color. Kita guna purple. Okay. So 20 divide by 4, cikgu selalu ajar buat satu persatu kan. You divide one by one. Okay, you choose 2 first. Okay, boleh. 2. Kalau tak ada dekat sini, you choose 0, right? You can also choose 2 number. Okay, untuk langkah yang pertama saja. For the first step only. Okay, you can choose 2 number. For the rest, yang lain tu, okay, you need to choose one by one. Okay, satu persatu. Okay, so never mind, we choose 2 number. Since 2, we cannot divide by 3, we can choose 20. Okay, so 20. Kita cari 20 dekat sini. Ada tak? Kalau tak ada, so we choose the one that is smaller but nearer to 20, which is 18. So, the number at the top is 6. Can I write down 6 here? Boleh tak? No. Okay, so since we choose 20, kita tulis dekat sini 6. Jangan tulis kat depan ni. We choose 20 kan? This is 20. Kedaknya terpadam. Okay, so kalau awak pilih 2 nombor, you write down the answer dengan digit yang paling belakang sekali. Okay, so 20. Okay, bawah 18. Minus. 20 minus 18. Tak payah pinjam-pinjam tu. You can think on.
Two.
2. Yes, very good. So 2,
Two.
and then you bring down the next number. The next number, you need to bring it down one by one. Okay, you cannot just bring 3 and 4 at one time. Okay, one by one. Sama lah when you walk down the stairs kan. You walk down the stairs one by one. Tak ada pun awak jump 10 stairs sekaligus. So sama juga dengan bahagi. You need to bring it down one by one. Okay, the next step lah for the next step. So now you have 23. So which one do we choose? 21 or 24?
21.
Yes, very good. 21. So at the top is 7.
21.
So here is 7. Below is 21. So 23 minus 21, what is the answer?
2.
2. Okay, so I bring down the last number. Now we have 24. So which one do we choose?
8.
1, 2, 3, 8. Very good. 8. 8. At the top is 8. Dekat sini 8. So bawahnya 24 minus 0. So the answer is 678. Now, we are going to solve this one by using the fence method. Fence method, okay. When you use fence method, make sure you jarakkan each digit. Okay, jarakkan supaya awak tak ada keliru lagi. Supaya awak tak akan keliru bila awak nak menolak nanti. So, 2, 0, 3, 4. Jarakkan lah. Okay, divide by 3. Okay, now, if you use fence method, please do the line. Draw the line untuk setiap digit ni. Draw the line. Pisahkan dia. Okay? And okay. So now, next one. Cara seterusnya is the same with long division. Okay, the difference is long division you bring down the number, but for fence method you are going to bring the number up. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so 2 divide by 3. Yang ni kita pilih one by one. So tak ada kan? So we choose 0. So up is 0. Kat sini 0, bawah pun 0, minus 2 minus 0 is 2. And this number 2 you are going to bring it up sebelah next number. So here is 20. Sekarang you have 20. Okay, so now 20. Which number do we choose?
6.
6. Yes, very good. 6 So 6 here. 18. 2 kan? Okay, so this number bring it up. So now you have 23. Okay, which number do we choose?
7.
7. Okay, so 21 minus 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, and this number you bring it up, you have 24. So 8 kan? 8. Okay, minus 24. So you have 0. Okay, the number at the end, the product that you subtract at the end, this is the remainder. Kalau 0, 0 macam ni means no remainder. So the answer is 678. Okay. The mistake that most of you do is you don't write the answer incomplete form. Okay. If you have remainder, awak kena tulis remainder tu sekali. For example, 2 remainder 6. Ini kena tulis. Kalau ada remainder, you need to write down the remainder. Okay, kalau tak ada, then just 2. Kalau tak ada, 2 sajalah, tak ada remainder. Okay, faham tak? Boleh Okay, so this is the answer for the normal division, long division, and also the fence method sama. Okay, sama. So both method is accepted. Okay, boleh? Okay. Why? Kenapa ini dinamakan sebagai fence method? Why? Why this is called as fence method? Usually when you draw fence, kalau lukis pagar tu kan, or you lukis like this kan. Kalau dalam lukisan lah, contohnya pagar rumah kan, and then macam ni kan. Betul tak? Betul tak? Okay. Tengok bentuk dia sama kan? That's why this is called as fence method. Okay? Clear? Okay. Now we are going to move to the next. We are going to move to the next slide. Okay, you can see my slide, right? Okay, so today we are going to create stories for multiplication and also division. We have done this for addition and also subtraction before, and today we are going to do it again for multiplication and also division. Okay, so today what we are going to do first is we are going to revise on the steps to create story, and then I'm going to introduce you to the keywords for multiplication and also division, and then we are going to create stories. I'm going to create two stories, and the other two you need to do it by yourself and you need to present. Okay, and the last one is we are going to spot the mistakes. Okay, I'm going to give you a story and then you spot what is or are the mistake for the story given. Okay, so what is the importance of creating stories? Okay, it is important. Creating stories is important for you to understand the situation in division and also multiplication. If you want to answer problem solving question, you need to understand the whole story of the problem solving given to you. Okay, mostly in problem solving yang cikgu bagi ayat panjang-panjang tu, kalau nak selesaikan masalah tu, you need to understand what is the story in the problem solving. So to understand, in order to understand the story inside the problem solving, you need to know how to create stories. Okay, and skills in creating stories ini will help you to understand the problem. Okay, and next one, let's start. Okay, what need to be done? Okay, how do we create story? The first one is we need to identify the numbers involved. For example, if I have 2 times 2 is equal to 4, okay, so you need to identify, oh, there is number 2. There are 2, okay, and there is number 4. Oh, all this number, you need to include it in your story, okay? Jangan left behind any numbers. If there's 3 number, then you need to include 3 numbers in your story. Okay, when you tell stories, you are tell lah, bagi tahu lah. You are not going to ask any questions. Kita nak bagi tahu, bukan kita tanya soalan. Okay, so in telling stories, in creating stories, you are not going to ask questions. Remember that one. Okay. The next one is we are going to identify the operation involved. This one is we can okay, this one we can identify directly from the number sentence given. Okay, like this one lah. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then you can directly identify the operation given is multiplication. Why? Why must we identify the operation involved? Is for us to choose the correct and suitable keywords. Okay. The next one is we need to identify the object and character used. The characters and objects selected must match the numbers in number sentence. It must be suitable lah. For example, 2 times 2 is 4 kan? What are the object that we want to use? We can use maybe, I have 2 sweets. Diane have 2 sweets. All together we have 4 sweets. Kan? Okay. Kalau saya nak buat contohnya, I have 2 kids in my class. Suitable tak? Sesuai tak? Okay, let choose another number. 100. Macam ni lah, 100 times by 4. I ate 100 donut a day. I ate 100 donut each day for 4 days. So in total for 4 days, I eat 400 donuts. Adakah ini apa logic? Is this logic? Tak logic lah. Okay, it's not logic. Okay, so the character and object that you choose must be logic. Okay, the next one, you need to choose the correct keywords. If the operation is multiplication, then you need to choose keywords for multiplication lah. Okay, now let's look at the keywords for multiplication. The first one is total. Okay, I've told you before that multiplication is friend with addition. Kan? Dalam multiplication also you have repeated addition kan? So, total ini pun you use in addition. Betul tak? Kan? Dalam addition pun you use the word total. So, in multiplication, you will also use the word total. Okay. The next one is each. The word each is to represent that the situation is repeating. Each day, maksudnya hari ini, hari esok, hari lusa pun sama. Each basket, okay? I put 3 cookies in each basket. So, basket number 1 is 3 cookies. Basket number 2 is 3 cookies. Basket number 3 is 3 cookies. Okay? Boleh untuk menggambarkan bahawa sesuatu benda itu berulang-ulang kali. Times, okay. This one, kalau dalam bahasa Malaysia, this one is called kali. Okay. I eat 3 times today. Each time I eat four fried chicken. Okay, kali, 3 kali. Okay, from 1 to many. This is the situation that represent multiplication. From 1 to many. 1 basket, 2 apple. If 3 basket, then how many apple? Basket number 1, 2. Basket number 2, 2 apple. Basket number 3, also 3 apple. From 1 basket to many. Out of, this one is, macam tu lah. 3/4 out of 60. This one, saya bagi tahu saja. You are not going to use this yet. Okay, you are not going to use this yet. Equally, sama banyak. Okay, area, this is luas. Okay, luas. You are not going to learn this yet. I just tell you. Volume, this is isi padu. Okay, for area and also volume, the equation or the rumus, you are going to use multiplication. Okay. So for division, we are going to use the word share equally or distribute equally. Tengok ada perkataan equally, sama banyak. Okay, or we can use divided equally. Okay, or we can use the word remainder. Remember, remainder is the product of division. Okay, ada baki tu kan. Okay, see equally, jangan lupa dekat sini. Average, this one is purata. You are not going to learn this, saya just bagi tahu saja. And then, division is a situation where you have many things, okay, from many to one. Okay, for example, in one basket, you have 30 apple. You're going to share it equally with your friend. Maksudnya daripada banyak-banyak 30 apple tu, you're going to give it to your friend. One by one, satu pada kawan awak. Okay, from many to one. Okay, you need to find one. Okay, now, if I have this number sentence, 29 times 4 is equal to 116. Okay, Aaron and also Neil Ryan. Okay. Okay. I have this question. 29 times 4 is equal to 116. Okay. Can we discuss what are the objects that we can use to represent this number? Can anyone give me any idea? Ada jawapan. 29 what? 29 what? 29 what? Can I use 29 donuts? Oh, saya suka betul donuts. Can? Okay. And then what about this 4? 4 what? Diane, 4 what? Can I use 4 boxes? Boleh? Okay, and so 116 is the total of the donuts. Okay, so I will use the keywords total. Okay, can someone please tell me? Yang boleh reka cerita ni? Can someone please tell me? Ada any idea? Any idea? I have 4 boxes of donuts. Then, in each box, there are 29 donuts. So, I have 116 donuts in total. Okay, that is the example. Okay, kita tengok contoh jawapan. Okay, during the recycle day, each student in a classroom with 29 students bring 4 magazines from home. it means that student number 1 bring 4 magazine, student number 2 bring 4, student number 3 also bring 4, student number 4 bring 4, and so on. Okay. The total number of magazine collected is 116. Okay, now let us check. 29. Yes, I do have 29 here. 4. Yes, I do have 4 here. 116. Yes, I do have 116 here. And my keywords is each and also total. This one is to represent multiplication. Okay, boleh? Okay. Now let's look at this one. 60 divided by 5 is equal to 12. Okay. Can you give me any idea what object can we use to represent this number? Riska? 60 what? 60 what? Switch on your mic, Riska. 60 what? Clue? Pencil? Eraser?
60 pencil.
Okay, 60 pencil. And what about a 5? 5 what? 5?
5 boxes.
5 boxes. 5 boxes. Okay, what is the keywords that you want to use? Divided, we can use this one, divided equally. It means that we are going to divide the 60 pencil equally into 5 boxes. That is the situation. So, siapa mau bagi tahu? Siapa mau nak cerita tu? Siapa mau pula cerita? You can on your mic. Raju has 60 pencil. Okay, then?
And 50 boxes. I mean 5 boxes.
Okay. He is going to what? To what? To divide the pencils equally into what? Into 5 boxes. Each box will have what? Will have? Apa lagi nombor yang tak ada dekat situ? Will have 12 pencil. The situation here is he has 60 pencils. He's going to divide it into 5 boxes. So each box will have 12 pencils. Okay. So let us check. Kita check Okay. 60. Yes. Ada number 60 dekat sini. 5. Yes. There is 5 here. 12. Yes. There is 12 here. And the keywords used is divide equally. So this situation, if you look at it, okay, this is from many to one. Daripada banyak tu, dia masukkan dalam box, we are going to find what is in one box. Okay, that is what we call as many to one. Daripada banyak-banyak, we divide into boxes or into plastic bag, or we divide it into to our friend, and we find how many one box, one friend, or one plastic bag have. From many to one. Okay, now this is the ada contoh yang lain ini jawapan yang lain Mrs. Chan bought 60 prawns and put them equally into 5 containers. Each of the container has 12 prawns. Okay, daripada banyak, Mr. Chan she put it in 5 containers and she want to find what is in one container. Okay, check kita check. 60 ada, 5 ada, 12 also here. Okay, then the keywords is put equally. And we are going to find in each container. Okay, each container. Okay? Okay. Now, for this question, siapa? I'm going to open the comment section. Stop sharing. I'm going to open the comment section. You are going to share your question in the comment section. What I want you to do now is I want you to create a story from this number sentence. 7 times 100 is equal to 700. Sekejap cikgu buka. Do I need to open the PowerPoint for you? No lah. Okay, you just tell me. 7 times 100. Do you have your pencil and also your paper with you?
Yes.
Okay, so you do story based on this number sentence. 7 times, I type it in the comment section. Comment 100 is equal to 700. Okay. You can type your answer in the comment section or you can voice out. Okay, awak boleh type dekat comment section tu ataupun awak boleh cakap. Okay? What story do you want to create based on 7 times 100 equal to 700? I'm going to choose one or two question and I'm going to paste it on the slide. Then I'll show it to you. Okay. Awak boleh type dekat comment section tu. Anyone typing? Don't worry about the spelling. Or don't worry about your spelling and also don't worry about your grammar. Okay? We just want to check apa kita nak tengok betul tak konsep awak untuk darab dan juga bahagi. Okay? Diane typing? Is it? You are typing, right, Diane? Okay, very good. Who else typing? Riska, are you typing? Delisha? Okay, very good. Arisa, you don't want to try? Come on. Okay, good. Just type. You don't have to write down in a paper. Just type there. Salah tak apa. We can apa tak correct later. Okay. Siapa yang guna account Sweetie ni? Sweet.
Me.
Oh, Ikhmas. Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Rizka is finished typing her story. You can refer to the chat comment. Wait, story is not finished. Okay, finish it. Arma, you don't want to try creating a story? There are 7 students doing work, 100 pages. Never mind, Delisha. Just keep going. Okay, Diane has finished his. Let me copy it first. I'm going to put this in the slideshow and share it with you later. Who else? Contoner. Never mind. We pass all the spelling error and the grammatical error as long as you understand the concept. Okay, concept first. Okay, Rizka done already. There are 7 workers working at a mall at 7 a.m. 2 hours later. Okay, yeah, I copied first. Okay, can we stop? Can we stop first? Is there anyone still typing? Is there anyone still typing? Okay, Arisa, okay?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Can we pause first? Kita bincang dulu yang 2 jawapan ni dulu ah. Okay, pause first ah. Okay. Okay, now. I paste Diane and also Rizka's questions in this slide. Okay, as you can see, we have 2 answer here. Okay, this one is Diane ah. Ini Diane punya. This one is Diane. And also this one is Rizka. Okay, now let's look. Diane's story is like this. Lee Chan catches 700 catfish at his fish farm. Full stop lah. He puts 100 catfish in a container, another 100 in a container, then he put the rest of the 500 catfish in 5 container. Where is this? Okay, okay, okay. Now class. Now look. Yang macam this is opposite. This story is totally opposite from the number sentence. The number sentence is about multiplication. Remember, multiplication is from one to many. Okay, multiplication is from one to many. But Diane, he start from many to one. Okay, he start from many to one. Okay, so this is memang opposite lah. He puts 100 means that from many dia letak 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. That is division already. Okay, so from this story, ini sudah the concept is wrong already. Tapi it's good for you to try. That is very good. Okay. Okay, so now let's look at Rizka answer. There are 7 workers working at a mall at 7 a.m. 2 hours later, 100 workers come into the mall equally. Okay, the total number of workers is 700. Means that at 2 a.m., there are 7 workers working. 2 hours later means 4 a.m., right? Come 100. How come 100 come equally at 4 a.m.? This one, the concept is also wrong. Kalau awak fikirkan 7 orang bekerja pukul 2 pagi. Oh, 7 a.m., sorry. 7 a.m., 7 workers. And then 2 hours later 100 workers. There is no repeating, tak ada repeated guys tu. Tak ada benda yang repeated. Nothing is repeated. Okay? Kita tengok jawapan yang lain dulu ah. Let me check other answer. There are 7 home later. Okay. Okay, there are 7 students doing work at 2 a.m. At home later. They got 100 homeworks and they got, okay, now, never mind. Okay. Okay. Make sure you remember this. Multiplication is from 1 to many. Yes, it's very good. At least you try your best. Okay, very good. Okay, at least you try. It's okay to make tak apa kalau kita buat salah. Okay, tak apa kalau kita buat salah. Okay, the effort of you trying is very good. Okay, keep it up. Okay, so now, okay, remember, in multiplication, the situation is from 1 to many. Okay, the situation is from 1 to many. It means that I have, okay, 7 boxes. 100, okay, let's say 100 marbles. Okay. So we are going to tell what happened in one box first. From 1 to many, yeah? Okay. What happened in one box first? Okay, can you please stop chatting? Okay, pay attention, huh? Okay. Okay, remember, multiplication is from 1 to many. So in this case, okay, I choose the object boxes and also marbles. Okay, I'm going to tell what is in one box. Okay, first I'm going to tell what is in one box. Okay, I have 7 boxes. Okay, I'm going to tell you what is in each box. Okay, each box has 100 marbles. Okay, from one box, I tell you each box has 100 marbles. Okay, the total number of marbles in 7 boxes is 700. Okay, boleh? Boleh? Okay, so now let's look at the contoh jawapan. So, a newspaper delivery boy delivers 100 newspaper a day. In 7 days, he delivers 7 newspaper in total. Okay, dalam sehari, dia deliver 100. Okay, so in 7 days, he delivers 700 newspaper in total. Okay, now, let's look at next one. This question. Remember the concept. Division is from many to 1. Okay, division is from many to 1. For example, I have 5 ringgit. I'm going to share it with my friends, 5 of my friends. Okay, so each one will have 1 ringgit. Okay, from many to 1. Okay, now, can you please create a story for this number sentence? 215 divide by 8 is equal to 28. Remainder 7. Ada remainder dekat situ. You can type your answer in the comment section. Okay, try. Try. Try it. Two hundred and fifteen divide by 8 is equal to 26 remainder 7. Okay, now you can look at the comment section. So anyone is trying? Who's trying? Oh, you're still drinking. Okay. Remember, division is from many to one. Let's say we have 215 rambutan. 215 rambutan. 215, the question, soalan dia kah? 215 bahagi 8 equal to 26, remainder 7. Two one five divide by 7 equal to apa jawapan tak? 26 remainder 7. 26 remainder 7. Okay, who's typing? Diane. You are typing? Rizka is trying, is it? Okay, very good. Arisa, you want to try again? A very good start. A hot dog seller divides. Okay, very good start. You need to mention how many. Rizka, you mentioned first. A hot dog seller has how many? How many hot dog? How many hot dog? 215. Very good, Alicia. Lily got 215 marbles. Okay, and then Arisa, you start with Mr. Hamid has 215 rambutan. Okay? Mr. Hamid has 215 rambutan. Jangan type separuh-separuh. Cikgu pun kelak confused which one is whose story, which one is whose story. Okay. It's a very good start. Abu got 215 durian. He packed 8 durian in each plastic. Oh, and give to his 7th friend. Diane, you just Ryan, okay, Ryan, just tell he packed not 7 plastic, he packed the durian in 8 plastic bag. And then you tell in each plastic bag you have how many? How many durian? Ryan, can you please switch on your mic? Ryan. Okay, Ryan, Abu got 215 durian kan? Lepasnya Ryan padahlah nya masukkan dalam 8 plastik. Then each plastic ada 7 durian. Is it 7? No, 26. Each plastic will have 26 durian. 7 is the remainder. 7 adalah bakinya. Can you correct it, Ryan?
Yes.
Okay, now switch off your mic. Correct your answer. Lily got 215 marbles. There's 8 left. From 215 marbles, you need to show how macam ni je jadi bahagi. You need to bahagi first. Divide first. You bahagi, either you share it or you put it in containers. You need to put all the number from the number sentence into your story. Macam Delisha tu kan, 215 marbles, then number 8. Mana lagi nombor lain Delisha? Afif, okay, Mama has 215 of lemons. Mama want divide lemons to 8 of, okay. How many lemons? I told you already. Don't ask question. Afif, don't ask question. We want to tell story. We are not going to ask question. Okay? Afif, boleh baiki sih?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay, ada yang dah buat pembetulan? Khairi Aimoni, I have 215 sweets. I give the sweets to 7 friends. Each friend have 26. Yes! Okay, Kairin. I'm going to copy Kairin's answer in Ayo. The rest? The rest? Abu got 215 durian. He packed 26 durian in each plastic and gave it. Arayan dengar. Kalau macam ni Arayan, it means that you have 215 durian. Mana tadi? You pack it. He packed 26 durian in each plastic. Kalau macam ni, it means that 215 divide by 26. The question is 215 divide by 8 kan? He packed the durian in 8 plastics. Okay, he packed the durian in 8 plastic. Each plastic will have 26 durian and there are 7 durians left. Okay, Arayan? Who else is trying? Okay, let me copy Arayan punya jawapan. Mana tadi Arayan punya? Afif? Are you typing? Afif typing kah? Okay, okay. I'll wait for you. This one here. Millie have 250 in a box. And Mila put some ruler in a plastic case. Okay. Amni, can you hear me? Millie have 215 ruler in a box. Maksudnya awak ada 215 ruler dalam box kan? Sekejap Millie, sekejap Mila. Okay, never mind. And then Millie put some ruler in 8 pencil case. Kalau awak cakap maksudnya dia letakkan sedikit ruler ke dalam pencil case, betul tak? ayat tu maksudnya macam tu. So supposed to be you write it like this. She divided, okay? She divided the ruler in 8 pencil case equally. So each pencil case will have 26 ruler and there is 7 ruler left. Okay, Amni, dengar si Amni. Okay. Mrs.
Dia ada je benda.
Oi.
Mrs. Aisha has 215 mangoes. The mangoes are divided into 8 plastics. All the neighbors get 26. Okay, I copy this one. Okay, can we... Boleh kita pause sekejap? Okay, cikgu nak tunjukkan jawapan kawan-kawan awak. Give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, the first one, this one is the first one. Ini nombor 1 ah. This is number 2 and this is number 3. The first one is from Kairin, kan? Okay, I have 215 sweets. I give the sweets to 7 friends. Okay, you can add the word equally. Okay, kita nak bagi tahu bahawa kita bahagi sama banyak. Okay, division and also multiplication. Okay, yang mesti sama banyak. Okay, division and also multiplication yang mesti sama banyak. Wait ah, I want to...
Okay, teacher, done.
You're done? Okay, I close the comment section. Afif, okay, Mama has 215 lemons. Mama want to divide lemons to 8 of her friends. Okay, remaining 7 lemon, Afif. 7 lemon. Salah nombor ya. Okay? Okay. Afif punya story is very good. Okay, cumanya salah nombor. That is correct, Afif. Okay, tukar nombor je. Very good, Afif. Okay, now let's get back to this one. Okay. So this is number 1. I have 215 sweets. I give the sweets to each friend. Equally ya. Mention equally sebab dalam darab dengan bahagian yang mesti sama sama banyak. Each friend will have 26 sweets. There are 7 sweets left. This is correct. Okay. Look at number 2. Siapa punya number 2 tadi? Ryan kan? Abu got 215 durian. He packed. Okay, daripada banyak-banyak tu, dia pack sikit-sikit. He packed 26 durian in each plastic. If you, kalau awak buat macam ni, this is 215 divide by 26 equal to 8. Remainder 7. So, what do you need to do is, Abu got 215 durian. He packed the durian in 8 plastic. Okay? Then you mention each plastic will have 26 durians. Kalau awak tengok dekat jawapan Ryan, nombor 26 ni dia tak nyatakan. So make sure awak bagi tahu dulu berapa jumlah semua. Then you put it, awak letak dalam tempat sikit-sikit kan, awak bagi. Then you mention how many in each plastic. And then you mention what is left. Okay? Number 3. Siapa yang buat number 3 ni tadi? Dia guna account mak dia. I cannot trace. Siapa yang buat tadi? Number 3? Amar kami. Okay, Amar. Okay, let's look at Amar's answer. Mrs. Aisha has 215 mangoes. The mangoes are divided. Yes, very good. Daripada mula-mula Amar mentioned 215. Then he mentioned he divide, okay, into 8 plastic. You can add on equally, ya. Okay, Amar, equally. All the neighbors, each plastic, you just tell each plastic lah. Each plastic has 26 mangoes. And there are remaining 7 rotten mangoes. This one is also correct. Okay? Boleh? Boleh? Okay, now. Let's look at this one. Ini contoh saya. Saya dah tarik ke tepi. Kejap. I bring it up. This is my answer. This is my answer. Where to put? Where to put? Okay, this is my answer. A fruit seller divides 215 guavas into 8 plastics. Each plastic has 26 guavas. There are 7 guavas left. Okay, that is my answer. Okay, now you look at this story. Can you tell me what is wrong with this story? A shop has bought 17 boxes of sugar to be stocked in the shop. Each box has 6 packs of sugar. How many packs of sugar are stocked in the shop? What is
the question?
Yes. This story asking question. This is not a story. This is a question. Okay, ini bukan mereka cerita. Ini bertanya soalan. Inilah yang dinamakan sebagai problem solving. Okay, so this is not creating stories. This is asking question. Okay, in creating stories, please don't ask question. Okay, now, okay, how to solve this question? What is the operation involved? Can you tell me? What is the operation involved? See, ada 17 boxes kan? You imagine lah, how many boxes? 17. 17, okay. 17. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Each boxes has how many pack of sugar?
6.
6. Okay, this one is 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. Can you see the pattern? Boleh nampak tak pattern dia? What happened here? What happened here? Can you see the pattern?
Multiplication.
Yes, very good, multiplication. Why do you say it is multiplication, Kyrene? Why? Kenapa? Ada je. Dalam BN pun boleh. Asal bukan mak jawab ah. Okay. Okay, Kyrene, why? Why do you say this is multiplication? Sebab apa, Kyrene? Sebab apa Kyrene padahnya darab? Kena? Apa pattern yang Kyrene nampak kat saya? You see 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 kan? What is that 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 here? Berapa?
Lang.
Yes, berulang. Arisa jawab apa? Okay, berulang. Or in English, that is repeat. Okay, repeating kan? Repeating, dia berulang. 6, 6, 6, 6. And you need to find what is the total number kan in all 17 boxes. So, if you want to find the total, you are going to use addition. Itu dah menjadi repeated addition. Selain daripada awak tambah 17 kali, the easiest way to solve this is by using multiplication. Okay? Okay? Ikmas, I can hear you, Ikmas. Okay? Okay? So, this is how you are going to do problem solving. You need to identify what is the situation actually. You can, awak boleh lukis. Okay? Or you can imagine it inside your head. Okay? Boleh? Boleh? So, okay. This is your homework for this week. You are going to finish page 45 and also page 46 in your activity book. Okay? Once you have finished, please take a photo, a clear one, please, a clear one, and send it to my Telegram. Okay? And wait for your turn to be marked. Okay? Boleh? Boleh? Okay. Okay, so that is all for today. And remember, in creating stories, don't ask questions. Make sure you include all the 3 numbers. If there are 4 numbers in the number sentence, all 4 numbers must be included in the stories. If there are 3 numbers in the number sentence, then all 3 numbers must be included in the stories. Okay, boleh? Boleh. And make sure, remember, kalau darab is from, multiplication is from one to many. Okay, selalunya kalau darab tu you are going to tell in one box actually. First, okay, dalam satu kotak tu ada berapa? Then you say you have empat kotak yang sama. Then how many in semua kotak? Okay. In division, kalau division, okay, division, the situation is from many to one. Okay, you tell you have this amount of something, and then you divide it into small amount. Okay, bagi kepada kecil-kecil lagi. Then you tell in, for example, 20 rambutans. Divide into 4 container. How many each container has? Okay, from many to one. That is division. Okay, class? Okay, so next week we are going to learn about apa? Problem solving and also unknown. Okay, problem solving in multiplication and division and also unknown. Okay, that is all for now for tonight. Okay, see you again next week. Make sure you do your work. Okay, stay safe. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum.
Bye, teacher.
Assalamualaikum.
Bye.
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 Bye bye. Bye.